This is Vicki Walker for ExpertVillage. We're making a baby doll sleeping bag today, and I have the top portion, the top fabric that we'll see on the outside of the sleeping bag, as well as the white quilting fabric inside to make it more like a sleeping bag. But we'll pin these together and then go to the sewing machine and baste these two pieces together. It doesn't have to be exact, but I'll put a few pins around to make it a little easier when I start sewing. Just a couple more pins. Should get the job done. Okay, into the sewing machine. And I'll just run a basting thread all the way around the outside edge to hook these two pieces of fabric together. And the next step, we'll be working with the lining fabric, attaching it to these two pieces. But this is all that it takes to attach the first two sections together.